How about this? Panasonic put out a home cubicle. You can put this in your home, Will, because you miss the office so much.
Oh.
Because you're at home, because lockdown, you don't get to go into the office, but you had a cubicle at the office.
Yeah.
And it made you feel cozy, like a work zone. Then you were at home and you're like, where do I work? And people have tried the desks. The desks are out there. But then there's the overflow with the desk.
Yeah.
It goes out, it hits the coffee table, and it hits the kitchen table, and it hits the dining room, whatever you got.
Yeah.
It hits the bathroom all of a sudden near the sink. All of a sudden you see some paperwork, some photocopies, a fax machine. I don't have this problem, but some people might.
Yeah.
And The Verge says it's disheartening, a disheartening glimpse at our work from home future. I don't know if it's necessarily disheartening. I think I look at it a bit different.
Yeah.
I think you might be in a tight space and it can actually help you stay organized.
Also, I would say like the mindset of having like a workspace, like your mentality goes to like, okay, this is where I work now.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, and the way they've made it, it's out of wood. I don't think it's the ugliest thing ever. No. If you scroll down, you'll see on the outside, it's kind of a pegboard so you can stay organized. And I don't have this problem. I have like an office. You can have an office space too. And obviously that would be, if someone would prefer that, but not everyone has that space. People, particularly in cities, you got a smaller space to work with. So it can be really hard to set up a designated workspace. Of course, this product targeted at Japan, famously, there's some small spaces in some of those very densely populated cities. It's funny that it's being made by Panasonic, an electronics company, but they do sell, you can see one of the Toughbook laptops there. Yeah. They're trying to, I don't know, alleviate some of the problems with working at home, letting you have 10 square feet, which is 1 square meter of a specific work zone.
Yeah.
The product is called the Komoru, which sounds very inviting.
Yes.
It's got all kinds of wood on it. And depending on the individual that's looking at this, you may think this is depressing or you may think this is exactly what you need. I don't know, but you can't get it yet or you can't get it now. It's going to be marketed only in Japan for the time being. But you can imagine maybe IKEA could put something like this out. It'll be interesting to see how people manage their work from home future because it appears hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people could be working from home for a while into the foreseeable future.